So here we have the Echo 225, almost the perfect machine, made even better with Echo's SpeedFeed 400 head assembly. So before you go thinking that this video is sponsored by Echo, it ain't, but it is brought to us with our collaboration with the Hipastore. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is go ahead and line up the hole with the arrow that you see there. And when you have them lined up correctly, you should be able to see all the way through to the other side. So the 400 can take up to 20 feet of line, but for the purposes of this video, we'll be using 10 feet. So now that I have my 10 feet, I'm going to go ahead and just feed it on through. And I want to keep feeding it until it is absolutely even with each other. So now that we have it at an even level, let's go ahead and hold down the bottom and twist. So if you keep turning and don't give up, you would have rethreaded your head without taking it apart. So I'd like to thank Hippo for making this video possible. I'm going to go ahead and share their link to their 3 pounds of trimmer line at the price of $31. Seems awfully reasonable. So until next time, this is your boy Kachi's Kid, and you know I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace, ma.